My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2021 Ford Fiesta ST line. This vehicle has done just over 16,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a petrol fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, as well as our keyless ignition. On the right, we have voice control. On our screen, we can access 4Pass Connect, voice control and valet mode, mobile apps, navigation, emergency assistance and Bluetooth. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with parking sensors. Just below the screen we have our AC, and if we press our mode button, we can switch between normal mode, eco mode and sport mode. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.